I'm on a mission, it just hitting. Now it's written and kitten, hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word, damn you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Illy and alleys are full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally. Them founding alleys and rally. Really? So here we go. Now holla if you hear me though. Come and feel me. Flow. Never Nixon with tricking brothers, bitching over fixins that ain't fitting to be hitting for nothing. Spitting things is bitten and getting written off. You're like a batter, bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye, 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 bye. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. Here we go, now holla if you hear me, though. Come and feel me flow. The flow, pro, poetical, with skills only a better, no better, no where's the weather flow that's on point like decimals, manhandling new crews, partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo-poos. I thought you knew two stone styles of stamina, jamming, and while we're planning the jam, we bust with a party, amateur damages, managing, damaging mice, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again, now I wanna know who's the man again. Naugty's back like vertebrae, word to hey I ho, the way I show you, pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the boo tag tags tag. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though, come and feel me flow. Here we go now, holla if you hear me though, come and feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body up, but beat the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All we wanna know is if your body wanna party, it's the poop tang tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, your wit up, souped up, put your dukes up, no guts set up, but sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake shows until they fizz up, rizz up, like you're with us. If not, zip up your lip up, whip up. Hits with ransom, foul styles get and ones. We came back cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem, black like Noah. In fact, then for ya, and we was back in the days with the drifters, we'd have been known as the blowers. Revenue since the 70s, find me. So we went crazy in the 80s, so we woke his heinies in the 90s. Oops, the naughties, troops in sections of 40. So clap your hands and hold your shorty. I'm naughty. Here we go.